Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video, too.
Yes, I sincerely apologize. I was trying to turn around. My driver's license? For what? Talk to my mom?
I'm going to talk to you. Do you have yours? Do I need to speak louder? Do I need to speak louder? I'm going to talk to your mother.
Do you know who my mother is?
I don't care who your mother is. I'm going to find out who your mother is.
No, do you know who my mother is?
I'm going to find out who your mother is because you're going to give me your driver's license and then you're going to give me your mom's phone number.
Well, do you know who my mother is? Because I didn't intentionally mean to almost...
I think that you intentionally sped around this cul-de-sac.
Yeah, I was trying to make a U-turn here.
I don't care what you were trying to do.
Alright.
I think that your foot was intentionally on that pedal as hard as it was.
Okay.
So now what you're going to do is you're going to hand me your driver's license and you're going to give me your mom's contact information and then I will let you go. And you can continue off to wherever you are going.
Okay. So,
I'm waiting.
waiting?
For your driver's license.
Okay. Well, can I go because I sincerely apologize?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
I'm going to wait for your driver's license.
Well, hold on, let me...
Can you just tap the picture of the license plate? Thank you. We will look it up, and this is not your car. This is the family car. So it's connected to the title, which is a public record.
Yes,
So,
this driver's license is a public record, so trying to make a U-turn.
Okay,
I have
but
it on my Dashcam.
that doesn't mean that, no, you were flying down this street. Flying down this street. There are enough security cameras on all these houses.
Enough security camera. So
on all these houses.
On all these houses.
All these houses.
Well, again, I didn't intentionally mean to do that.
You didn't intentionally mean to do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you are good to go. We have your driver's license.
Okay.
We have your make and model, or not your driver's license.
Make and model.
We have your license plate.
License plate.
So you are good to go. You'll be following up with your family.
All right. Have a nice day.
You too.
On the issues impacting Americans' lives. But as I've said repeatedly, Democrats slammed the brakes on this big business, and they decided to shut down the government for their partisan political purposes.
They're like, why doesn't anyone like me? Why is my family abandoning me? It's like, well, are you okay, EJ? You good? Oh my god, you guys don't know how to fucking drive!
Excuse me? Cody, stop! SEL 610, Hyundai Sonata. Cody, Cody.
That's the big moment when he accidentally calls Selvig Cookeville. Patricia and Ben and I were talking that night we were shooting it.
West of the 400. Head to Specsavers to get 2 pairs of glasses for only $99 in their wholesale. Conditions and
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
What in the
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.